Okay, so I'm going to show you all how to upload a picture into one of our slide decks from Wixie. So I've got my project finished here in Wixie, and I'm going to go over here to File, click File, and I'm going to click Download. This is going to come up, and I'm going to pick Image and JPEG with no background. So just pick this one. And you'll see it pop up over here at the bottom. And I'm going to put Show in Folder. So I'm going to open that up. And there it is. I'm just going to move this out of the way because I'm going to go to my slide deck. You saw the link to the slide deck in the chat in class, and if you're looking at this now, then you have the link right with this assignment. So there is a slide deck that looks like this. I'm going to just pull up that folder that I had opened earlier with that image that I just downloaded. I'm going to pick a slide that nobody's used yet, and then I'm just going to drag it into that slide. So you can kind of shrink it down, write your name at the top, and you are finished. The end.